Hello, this is MHS Football 28 and my new project, 16 scale slash. And you guys are thinking this is not a slash. Well, it is. Just a conversion to the Fiesta Gymkhana thingy. This is the Gymkhana body. With windows and everything. Real clean, even painted the inside black. Okay, well, this is it. Uh, nice knobby tires. White rims. I think it looks pretty clean. It's got some green piece of plastic, just all the different things. Aluminum. It's Integi shocks. Those are really nice. Push rods. Aluminum. Actually not aluminum hubs. RPM though, and it's got RPM arms and RPM hubs. Can't see, but right there, RPM hubs. And then Valenian Bursa system, Valenian 3 cell LiPo ESC, and the battery compartments has Dean's connectors. Yeah, it's just set up for a rally. I kind of like it. I really like it. Um, okay, let me show you all four bodies. You saw the Ford Fiesta body. Then there's the Proline short bar stroke body. Looks real nice. I like this body a lot. The truck body, you only can run it on road because I don't want to cut it because it's too big. I get rubs, and rubs. But yeah, looks real nice. Yeah, it's gone. Huh? Windows look real nice. It's got a bed and a hole so you can start to cool off, but the bed's pretty cool. Then last, not least, is the buggy body. This thing's really cool. It's really small, nothing rubs, and it rolls over pretty easy. Just got a couple stickers on it. Slash 404 VXL. Is that like the only proof I need? Okay. Then I got some of the stock parts. Okay, this is stock, the bottom of the chassis thing that protects, this, this is just a new one. It's the old one, just in case I ever need a new one. Let's see, else, I got, this would be the front chuck tower. I mean, not chuck tower, body tower thing. The slash, another piece of proof that is a slash. 16 scale. VXL slash. Front bumper. And I got assortment things. Da 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 da. And let me show you the wheels. It did come with 27 megahertz. I'm not happy. Don't like 27 megahertz. Too heavy. Actually, I'm not even complaining. It's not heavy at all. But I mean, it's heavier than most of my 2.4 gigahertz. It's got an antenna. It's pretty tacky. Now it did come with a bunch of wheels. I got this off of Craigslist. And okay, so like original wheels for slash, I mean no tread. Well, some tread, but that not much. That one's like a perfect tire. Okay. There's those on-road tires. Those are actually pretty decently cool. There's these. I don't know, it's kind of like the E-Revo tire, kind of, because it's really fat. compared to the stock. Look how thin that one is versus that one. Really fat. And then there is drifting tires. HPI drift, no grip whatsoever. Drifting tires. Okay, well that's it. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Also, wait, one more thing. It's got a wing. Yeah, just because I want to turn it into something else. It's got many other springs and stuff. These are stock ones. So right now it's got the really good aluminum Integy shocks. And then see ya for the next video.